Is your Night Owl DVR locked, freezing, not recording, or showing system errors? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Night Owl DVR safely and restore it back to default settings in just a few minutes. Before starting, remember that a factory reset may erase your custom settings like passwords, recording schedules, Wi-Fi configuration, and mobile app connections. If possible, back up important footage first. Now make sure your DVR is powered on and connected to a monitor and mouse. Using your mouse, right-click anywhere on the screen and open the main menu. Enter your current password if required. Once inside the menu, look for options like System, Maintenance, Device Settings, or Advanced Settings. Different Night Owl models may use different menu names. Now, find the option called Default Settings, Factory Reset, Load Default, or Restore Factory Settings. Click on it, then choose All Settings if available. Press Apply or Confirm. The DVR may restart automatically. This process usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. After rebooting, your Night Owl DVR will return to its original factory settings. You'll now need to create a new password, set the date and time, reconnect cameras if needed, and set up the Night Owl mobile app again. If your DVR was freezing or having software issues, this reset often fixes the problem. If this video helped you reset your Night Owl DVR, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Technical Thinker for more CCTV troubleshooting videos, password resets, and security camera fixes.